This is the first page the user sees when he or she opens my website. I made my website using the JavaScript framework React.js. Styling of the website was made using CSS, Cascade Styling Sheets. They helped me style the buttons and icons on my website, and also style all the text and add colors to my website. This page called Game Setup. So to set difficulty, user can choose what actions he wants to see in his examples. The actions are checkboxes. As you can see, they change the color. Maximum value of numbers, which are radio points, and they change the color too. And the last option is number of signs, which are radio points again, and they change the color too. To enter the actual game, I made my customized button using cascading style sheets and React to make it navigate to the different screen. So if I click start, it navigates me to the next screen, which is games screen. So here you can see the problem, the number of problems left. This is the input space, and this is numpad. To make the numpad, I used cascading style sheets, and all these icons, they turns green for 0.3 seconds when you click them. Also, this is the delete button, which is also becomes green when you click it. As you can see, check button, which sets the next problem, is gray when you don't have anything in your answer space, because user can't not answer anything. So only when I answer something, it turns green, so becomes clickable. Otherwise, it is disabled. So if I click it, nothing happens. But if I have at least something in my answer space, I can click it and I'll get the next problem. The game. So let's just I can just type my answer from the keyboard, so I'm not using my mouse. And for this problem, for example, the right answer is 3. For others, I just type any answer. And after the game finishes, user can see their results. So here they see total number of problems they solved, right answers and wrong answers they got, and score, which is calculated from percentage of right answers and difficulty of the game. In this table, right answers are green and wrong answers are red. So user can visually see where his right answers and where his wrong answers, so he can work on them and improve his skills. And here it shows the actual answer to this problem. If I click new game button, it will redirect me to the game setup page, and I can do it again. To save these results, user can log in into their account using sign in with Google. If he does this, then he chooses the account which he wants to sign in with. Now can go into his profile page. If we play a game, then it will be in his profile, and he can see the date when he played this game, number of problems in this game, how many right answers he got, and what score he got. If he has more than 10 games, then he will have more pages in his profile of this table. So Then he can use pagination to navigate between these pages.